Meaning why you should get the Pro subscription for the HP Injector. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're taking a look at the Pro subscription for HP Injector. I would recommend you guys getting the Pro subscription, and you'll see why in the later on in the video. So as you can see here, what they advertise here for what we're getting: no advertisement, meaning no ads, extra features, and pretty much supporting developers of the application. So for this here, if I go in the server section, as you most likely see, you have servers which are more VIP gaming or VIP, so you can use those servers, and they're, well, let me tell you, they're very fast. And if I go, let's say, in the USA section, I may not see any VIP server in the USA section. I may go down into United Kingdom, I might see this one here, it's a speed, which means it's really fast, but it's offline. So I have to go in Germany. Germany servers always work, especially the Germany one here. It's extremely fast, supports online gaming, WhatsApp calling, and it can work for payload and SNI. Doesn't support WebSocket, which I wish they do add that feature to this here, which their servers support WebSocket connection, that be a plus. So it's extremely fast, as I said guys. And also what you get when you're exporting your configuration file, and you have more protection as it relates to protecting your configuration file. So you have extra feature here, and let me just so you have this one here, pretty much protect, let's say, do not let any random device use a configuration file. Rooted device, like those type of device, protect against those devices, and you can block root here. This is pretty much more advanced. Here you have the Play Store installation, but that doesn't, this one does here, down here where it says this we users override tunnel type or server. So this is pretty much the Pro feature, which also help from people using sniffer application to sniff your configuration file. Also login search using our device ID. This is a Pro feature as well. And yes, so pretty much guarantee lock your configuration file, so people can't really sniff it that much, but still some may still find a way to pretty much get your most of the file. But I would say it's a very good thing to buy the Pro subscription because it's lifetime, and you can easily select any one of their servers, pretty much the VIP ones, and it works very fast. I do recommend you use SNI with it. If you most likely use SNI, it'd be a great thing. Plus there's no ads at all. Once you're connected, you're pretty much good to go. So I would recommend you getting the Pro subscription for the HP Injector, and it's pretty much lifetime, so you don't have to worry paying monthly. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comment below.